Class 10th students, it is the next video from chapter Life Processes. The topic is function of nephron. As you know that nephrons of kidneys perform two vital functions which are the blood filtration and osmoregulation. These two functions are completed in three steps. First step is the glomerular filtration. The dirty blood containing nitrogenous waste brought by renal artery that enter into glomerulus, which is the bunch of fine blood vessels. Blood flows inside glomerulus under pressure, that is due to the narrowness of efferent arteriole. As a result, blood undergoes pressure filtration or the ultrafiltration, in which all small volume solutes which are the urea, uric acid, amino acid, glucose, ions and high amount of water are filtered out and enter into Bowman's capsule. So Bowman's capsule receive the filtrate. The second step is the reabsorption. Tubular part of nephron, which is the renal tubule, absorbs useful materials which are glucose, amino acids, vitamins and some of the ions which are calcium, potassium, sodium and along with high amount of water. These all are reabsorbed mainly into proximal convoluted tubule and in loop of Henle of renal tubule. The last step is the tubular secretion. It is the active secretion of waste products by blood capillaries into the urinary tubule. These products are urea, uric acid, creatinine, extra salts, potassium ion and hydrogen ions. At last, concentrated urine is secreted into collecting duct. From collecting duct, that is transported into ureters and from ureters into urethra. Here is the figure of nephron. The three steps, which is the glomerular filtration that occur in glomerulus. That is a bunch of blood capillaries. Further filtrate passed into Bowman's capsule, cup-like structure from which the filtrate enter into renal tubule. In two regions of this tubule, which is PCT and loop of Henle, here high amount of water along with useful materials which are the glucose, amino acids and useful salts are reabsorbed into blood capillaries. These are diffused into blood capillaries. So in these two regions reabsorption takes place, and finally from the distal convoluted tubule less amount of water having urea, uric acid and the waste salts transported into collecting duct. This collecting duct receive the urine and that collecting duct transport this urine into the ureter.